Hey guys, welcome back to Maxim Automation. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss the custom naming style in Visual Studio 2022. This is one of the good features that we can use while writing our code. So when we write our code, we generally follow some standards like how we are going to create the method name, whether it will be a camel casing or Pascal casing. Similarly, for class or local variables, we all follow the standards to create the name of those fields. So either we write those naming style manually or we can set those naming style in Visual Studio to suggest or to create those fields for us based on our defined custom naming. So to start with, let me create a constructor in this class. And let's suppose I have two parameters in this constructor. The first one is for first name and the second one is for last name. Let's say I want to create the fields for these constructor parameters to store the values. And if I press Ctrl dot, then it displays create an assigned field first name. When I click on this, it created a field for me with name as first name using camel casing and assigned the parameter value into this. So it created the field name with default naming style. And let's say that according to the coding standard which we follow, all private fields should start with underscore, followed by the field name in camel casing. So to comply with our coding standard, we can manually correct the naming style of these fields. And then we need to do the same for each and every field which we are going to add. Or we can define it in Visual Studio to create the field name according to our need. So to define it, let's go to the Tools menu. Then click on Options and then expand the text editor, select C#, then click on Code Style and then Naming. So over here, we can see that we have some predefined default naming style available. The first one is for interfaces, that all interfaces must start with capital I. I is for interface. And then for types and non-field members, it must be Pascal case. So we can add more specifications by clicking on this plus icon and then choose the specification types from this list. I'm going to choose a private or internal field for now. And then we need to select the required style. Currently, we have only two styles available. One is Pascal case and the other one begins with I. So we can add other styles as well by clicking on Manage Naming Style. And then on this pop-up, provide the naming style title. Required prefix. So as I want to start my field name with underscore, so I can define the prefix over here. And then if there is any suffix which you want to add with the field name, then you can provide the value over here. And you can see the example over here for a field sample. You can also choose the capitalization, whether you want to use camel case or first word uppercase. So let me choose the camel case and then click on OK to save it. Now here I can choose the style for private and internal fields. So the style which we created is private field. And then select suggestion and click on OK. Now let's say I'm going to add another parameter over here, which is for middle name. And now if I again press Ctrl dot, then you can see now it is suggesting the field name as per our custom naming style. And if I click on this, then you can see it created and assigned a field with an underscore middle name, where middle name is in camel case. So this is how you can create custom naming style in Visual Studio 2022. You can create these styles for other specifications as well, like class, method, properties, almost for everything. Please try it out by yourself and put your comments in the comment box. It's how you liked it. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel.